The finance industry is notoriously slow at innovating. Just think about it. It took decades for online banking to become mainstream, years for contactless payments to gain adoption, and even today, many institutions still rely on outdated legacy systems. Core banking systems written in the 1970s and 80s are still powering trillions of dollars in daily transactions today. Many of them are still coded in Fortran or COBOL, languages older than most people working in finance today. So it's unsurprising that most CFOs and finance executives are anxious about not knowing how to take advantage of AI. Yet they're also worried because everyone around them is discussing it. Every CFO is essentially looking for ways to upskill their team without disrupting existing processes and causing chaos. In today's video, I'll share with you a clear and safe roadmap that will help finance leaders introduce AI to their teams in a structured way. Okay, ready? Let's get started. The first step is to pick a tool and distribute it to everyone. Don't overcomplicate this decision. Choose a secure AI tool that's already approved within your organization. It could be ChatGPT Teams, Microsoft Copilot, or Google Gemini. The key here is consistency. When everyone has access to the same platform, it's much easier to build confidence and create momentum. Once your team adopts the tool, the next step is to start with a few simple use cases that deliver quick wins. You should train your team on finance-specific use cases, while also introducing them to the basics of prompting. For example, you can demonstrate how AI can summarize a financial report, clean, messy data, or even draft management commentary. When people see their own work transform before their eyes, fear gives way to curiosity, and that curiosity is exactly what you need to move forward. After you've sparked their interest, it's time to go deeper with more advanced learning. Enable your team to go through more sophisticated, end-to-end real finance use cases. Think about building Excel models more efficiently, creating variance analyses, or automating monthly reports. Here, the goal is not to impress them, it's to let them try, make mistakes, and start building confidence with AI in a safe setting. Once you've built a foundation, you need to ensure that the progress will continue. The final step in the process that will enable this is to create a peer learning platform. This can be as simple as a Teams channel, a Slack group, or even a shared drive. The idea is to encourage your finance professionals to share prompts, best practices, and small wins. Over time, this creates a culture of learning where adoption grows naturally. So if you're a CFO who's cautious about introducing AI, but also determined not to fall behind, follow this simple roadmap. 1. Equip your team with one secure, approved tool. 2. Inspire them through hands-on, quick wins. 3. Build their confidence with end-to-end, real-world use cases. And 4. Make the progress stick through peer learning. That's it, a structured, low-risk way to start AI upskilling for finance teams. Okay, great. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. And if you'd like to train your team on how to adopt AI for finance and learn real-life use cases, consider enrolling in our platform. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. I'm sure you'll do great. You've got this.